Hi everyone, Andrew here from Saratech, and today we're going to be diving into 3D printing materials. Specifically, we're going to be looking at Markforged Onyx and their newer Onyx FR, which stands for flame retardant. We're going to take a look at the differences and why it matters, so stick around for more. First up, we have the dragon printed in Markforged Onyx. Onyx is a high-performance composite material made from a mix of nylon with chopped carbon fibers. It's known for its strength, stiffness, and heat resistant, which makes it a great choice for functional parts. Alright, now let's take a look at the dragon printed in Markforged's Onyx FR. Now the FR stands for flame retardant, and this material has all the great same properties of the regular Onyx, but with the added benefit of being flame retardant, which means it self-extinguishes when the flame is removed. And this, of course, is crucial for applications where safety is a priority, like anything in the aerospace industry. One of the key benefits of Onyx FR is that it meets the UL94 V-0 flammability rating. What does that mean and why is it important? Well, the UL94 V-0 rating is a standard for the flammability of plastic materials. To meet the standard, the part must extinguish itself within 10 seconds of a flame being removed, and it can't produce any dripping flames as well. In practical terms, this means that Onyx FR is designed to prevent the spread of fire, making it an excellent choice for environments where fire safety is critical. This can include electronic enclosures, aerospace applications, or any applications where fire risk is essential. Now for the fun part, we're going to light these two dragons on fire and see the difference in how they react. But first, safety is a top priority, so we do have our fire extinguisher ready, and we are doing this in a controlled environment, so don't try this at home. So there you have it. You can see the clear difference between the Onyx FR and the regular Onyx. The regular Onyx material melted, dripped, and stayed on fire for much longer, whereas the FR part didn't have any drips, very little signs of melting, and extinguished immediately. So if you're in a field where fire safety is critical, Onyx FR is definitely the way to go. But for all other parts, regular Onyx is a great general purpose material.